The battery in this Yaris is different to the previous models, so I'll show you a full battery replacement as well as info on the battery size and what to expect after installation. Before working on anything else, it's good practice to disconnect the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. It's all explained in this video link on the screen if you're interested. This bracket is held in place with two nuts, this one at the front and another at the back. The previous model didn't have a nut at the back, so if yours is the same, go and check out this video, the link will be somewhere on the screen. For this bracket, loosen the front nut until you can unhook the rod at the bottom and remove the back nut completely. Then lastly, disconnect the positive terminal with this clamp nut on the side. The battery you see here is narrower, but it was a temporary fitment and it doesn't fit the bracket properly. More info on that in a minute. For now, clean the terminals with some fine sandpaper or this handy little steel wire brush, which I'll leave a link in the description for on where to get one. When installing the terminals, connect the positive first and make sure to seat the terminal as low as possible on the battery post. A flat screwdriver works perfectly to open the clamp a bit and will ensure a solid connection. Then before connecting the negative, install the bracket first and tighten all the nuts, but not Hulk tight. Just ensure that nothing can move by hand. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. This battery is square compared to the previous one, and also higher to fit the bracket properly. But to make it easier, I've included links in the description for the exact battery size that will fit here as reference. You shouldn't have any warning lights apart from the normal ones you see here. A radio code isn't necessary, and the one-touch windows don't need to be reset. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.